Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
That's right, and good evening, everyone. We're going to start off tonight with a picture from Jennifer Aker Woods, and she says, boy, I just love those Wyoming sunsets. Here is a good example of one tonight. Good-looking shot there, Jennifer. Thanks for sending that in. And I like this one from Tammy Hawkhalter, obviously a bald eagle. She says, when you're ever driving down the road and you feel like someone's watching you, well, maybe they are. Yeah, thanks, Tammy. Yeah, probably they are. Here's the way things are shaping up in downtown Billings right now. We got somebody on a fire scene right now, so that's why the iCam's over there. We're at 19 degrees and mostly clear skies in Billings right now with a north wind at about 5 miles per hour. Feels like 12 degrees out there. 36 degrees was our reported high today. That's our normal high for this time of year. Right on the nose. 60 degrees is our record for this time of year. 2002. The 18 below zero was the record low back in 1973. And as far as precipitation, look at this. Nothing new to add to the total today, and we've only had 1/100th of an inch of precipitation, a little snowflake or two a couple of days ago, and that's all we've had so far in the year of 2019. So you'll notice our current temps around the state. We're cooling down into the teens here in the Billings area. Teens and 20s out in the west, still 30 over at Kalispell. Got a few cloudy skies up there. That's why they're a little warmer. Elsewhere into the teens and 20s back here. 18 over Miles City, you see 12 degrees over at Sheridan. 12 over Orland right now, 19 at Cody. These are our reported highs. We had some 20s and 30s here, 36 for Billings. Out in the west, also into the 20s out there, 22 over Butte for the high temp today, and over in Missoula, places like that, 26 degrees. So just kind of a potpourri. Generally in the southeastern corner of the state, that's where the warmer stuff was today. Meanwhile, we'll show you we do have a problem up in the northwest corner of the state. Winter weather advisory from mixed precipitation. Could see 1 to 3 inches of snow until 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, and maybe 1/10 of an inch of glare ice on top of that. So look for hazardous driving conditions tonight on into Wednesday morning. Meanwhile, here's what's happening. Doppler radar and satellite imagery shows the cloudy skies rolling into the eastern part of the state, while out in the west, that's where the rain and snow and the freezing rain is up in the chimney of Idaho, just now starting to make its way in between Kalispell and Missoula. So that's why we have the only problem in the state is basically up in that neck of the woods. But look at this. Here's this big storm we talked about. It continues to pull a lot of moisture onshore into California. It's going to continue to push it on up into Washington and Oregon and eventually in towards parts of Canada. So here in Montana, though, we've got high pressure cell here holding that stuff back. So all this moisture, yeah, some of it's going to turn the corner and make its way in towards northwestern Montana by tomorrow morning. And then by the time Wednesday afternoon gets here, maybe some scattered rain showers as well. By the time Thursday gets here, still just some scattered snow showers in the northwestern corner of the state, while the whole storm continues to go up and over and around Montana. We got a warm front moving in, so we'll be warming up a little bit. All of that thanks to that El Nino pattern we talked about, where the Pacific Northwest and north central states, they're going to be warmer than normal this winter on average. In the meantime, you'll see we're still expecting just some light snow showers the next couple of days over at Kalispell and also in Yellowstone Park. Everyone else, just going to be too warm for snow. In the meantime, you'll see temps tonight cooling back down to the teens and 20s up in the west, northwest, 24 at Kalispell and Missoula. Back here in eastern Montana, also into the teens and single digits. It'll be 17 at Hardin, maybe 19 at Billings and 23 at Livingston. Tomorrow, back to the 20s, 30s, 42 in Billings for tomorrow's high, 49 at Livingston. Also up in the northwest, maybe some spotty snow showers up there, and temps also into the 30s. But for Billings tonight, it'll be partly cloudy. We're at our low, our forecasted low of 19 right now. It's going to be cold the rest of the night. Winds out of the southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Next 7 days, hope you like 40s. We got a bunch of them, partly sunny to mostly sunny skies. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, mostly sunny skies, 40s. We'll even keep the 40s right on into Tuesday. That's weather. Let's go back to Russ and Janelle.